In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam content file locked error. This is one of the most frustrating issues you can run into when trying to update or launch your favorite games on PCs. But don't worry, because there is a proven set of steps to resolve this once and for all. If you have ever encountered that annoying pop-up saying your game files are locked and preventing you from playing, you are in the right place. Before we dive into the solution, if this video helps you get back into your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is close Steam completely. Sometimes the application or a background process gets stuck, which causes the locking error in the first place. You want to ensure no Steam processes are running in the background. To be fully certain that every temporary file and background service is cleared out, go ahead and restart your computer right now. This is a crucial step because it flushes the system RAM and releases any lingering locks on your hard drive that might be interfering with your Steam library folders. Once your computer has rebooted, open Steam again and navigate to your Library tab at the top of the interface. Locate the specific game that is giving you the content file locked error. Right-click on that game title in your list and click on Properties from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up a new settings window specifically for that game. On the left-hand sidebar of this Properties window, you need to look for the section labeled Installed Files. Click on that to reveal the file management options. Here you will see a button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this button. What Steam is doing now is scanning every single file in your game directory and comparing it to the official versions on the Steam servers. If it finds any files that are corrected, missing, or indeed locked, Steam will automatically download fresh copies and replace the problematic ones. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, so just let it run until it reaches 100% completion. Once the verification is finished, Steam should tell you that all files were successfully validated, or that it has scheduled a new download for the missing pieces. After this is done, you should be able to launch your game or finish your update without seeing that error message again. If this video helped you fix your Steam content file locked error, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and ensures you won't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!